Gangsters, what's up, guys?
Gangsters, what's up?
No, I'm just kidding. That was fucking disgusting. But, random Saturday. Got a bunch of stuff to do today. Detail a car. Go to Final Light, grab a diff. Go look at Isaac's headdress. Wow, that's gotta be racist.
William Knife Man.
Isaac's headliner. There we go. Isaac's headliner progress in his G35 that he just bought. X. He's done a lot to that car in the last week. Already took 2 trips to Milwaukee for it. I only slept like 4 hours, that's why I'm so tired. I came to my shop to grab a Dremel and a power washer, floor mats. I'm just gonna add in the detailing because that's gonna take me like 3 hours of my day, so. These bad boys over here, shop vac and carpet shampoo. Look at them floor mats, nothing but beauty. All right, dude. I'm just gonna hold my phone here because got no tools for this. Got everything that I need. Adrian's ready to go right now for run number 2 to Fond du Lac. So me and him are gonna go to Fond du Lac to pick up a new diff for his Genesis, and then people probably thought it was crazy because I had my phone hanging out my window like that. And then I don't even know what to do in what order first. Yeah, I don't know. I'll take you along for the ride, I guess. To the 2 people that watch this shit.
You shut the fuck up!
Stop number 2. What are we doing, buddy?
You know I'm topping off the axle fluid.
Looks like a shot of heroin, bro. Tie me up. Pause, wait, pause. Don't tie me. Swear to God, it's not windy over here. It's... No! We're in a time crunch. We're in a time crunch. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. She's good. She's good. You gotta get on the road, brother. This thing is LS swapped, by the way. Oh my God. Oh my God. But I'm freaking out. Dear Lord. It is pretty, not that messy, but just a lot of dirt and dust and stuff. I'm gonna get all cleaned up. I got that bad boy carpet vacuum. All right, man, so this is, I showed you the before, but this is what it looks like now. I don't know why it still looks kind of dirty, but it is really nice in here now. But now we gotta do this turd. We got that. This thing has probably never been detailed in his life because Isaac just bought it. He did this too. Long touch. Doesn't it make you want to rub your beard hair on it?
Oh fuck, your gooch hairs?
Alright, dude. What the
All right, Isaac, you might as well just do the interview now, dude. Let me hear it.
It was a piece of shit, I ain't gonna lie. It still is a little bit. We're getting there. It's not there complete, as you can see. But the door was actually destroyed. The last owner actually got in a couple accidents, I'm not gonna lie. Typical G35. The door was completely smashed in, fender was destroyed, hood was decent. I just bought some coils because it's kind of bouncy as a big boat. Should definitely do be floating on the highway, so I definitely want to get that fixed because I want this to be my daily. Because the Jetta, as you know from the last video, that thing is not going to go on the highway very good. So
Birds like it too.
shit on my car. I got OEM Nissan headlights. They're pretty decent, they're not bad.
The Skyline headlights.
Skylight from, yeah.
Yosh! Ore-sama ga aite.
Okay.
Yeah, we got to clean this pig because there's a
Looks like someone just came from a quarry and just stepped in here.
worms, guys. Oh fuck. Not sponsored.
Sponsored.
Not sponsored.
I mean, it smells like Sketch's ass in here.
It smells like real.
Hey, brother.
What's up, brother?
I'm so glad I could edit and take all this shit out. But yeah, we'll just start detailing. I'll just do a time lapse of doing one side and then we'll leave it at that. Yeah, she needs some loving, dude. And I'm just gonna spit on it.
Just spit. Just spit on it.
All right, so this is approximately 30 some minutes later. Oh yeah, brother.
Oh yeah, brother. This is great. This vacuum is amazing.
We're up in the burbs with it.
I'm a suburban. I'm a suburban dude.
I mean, this is you can't get any better than this, boys. Just a slight scrub down. Look at the shine on these seats. Big shout out to Madison for letting us use her garage.
Big shout out to Madison. Madison, you're a plug. Even though you're my Black African queen.
I kind of just came here and did it, but it's okay. She'll see it after the fact, and then she'll realize that I did her car too. Second vehicle detail of the day. It's pretty mint now. Just kidding, I'm definitely editing that out. But yeah, shout out to those wipes, man.
Yeah, these wipes
What is that? Quick Trip wipes? Let me see them.
These are Quick Trip wipes?
Yes. Grime Boss. They're like $7 and I've had them forever. Shout out to the Boss Grime. It's kind of task at hand now. We're just gonna hang out here for a little bit, you know. That little, what is this? No, this.
Oh, it's like for like a card. So if you want to put like
What?
cards or like envelopes or something.
That's some JDM stuff.
Japan.
That's that for this video, huh? I don't even know what my next one will be.
Stay tuned. Question mark? Kick ass.
Probably NWTC.
Oh yeah, that's coming out. That is coming out.
That's like the season opener, damn near.